how to check if you are connected to the internet or not. So first way, the way we have assigned the IP address was the manual IP address. But what you can do here is you can right click the network adapter, go to properties. Here, this was the way we entered the IP address. Now, if you want to get an IP address automatically from the Wi-Fi network adapter, you just have to select the first option, obtain an IP address automatically, obtain DNS server address automatically, click OK, and this is going to give you an IP address from the router. So if I now go to status and click details, now it is the same IP address that my computer is being assigned with. With this, we understood how an IP address is received from the router. So it is the crude way of doing it. But what people usually do is we press the Wi-Fi signal here, go to the Wi-Fi settings, and this is where we select our home network and click connect. So the moment we click connect, it gives an IP address to the wireless network adapter, which is situated under network connections. So friends, now how do we test if our computer is connected to internet or not? So before we get into the next session, let me quickly show you a command. You can simply go to command prompt and type ping, that is ping, P as in Papa, I as in India, N as in Nancy, G as in golf. So ping 192.168.1.1. If I 109, this is the IP address of my own, right? So I'm just pinging to the same computer. It is giving me the replies. If I want to check if I'm connected to my router, so I need to know the IP address of my gateway. So to do that, you can give a command ipconfig. Here you can see the IP address of the gateway. So this is the address to which my computer will be forwarding the traffic to access internet. So to check if I'm connected to this, you can simply give a command, the same command again, ping, and then copy and paste the IP address here. So I'm getting a reply from 192.168.1.1. It means I'm connected to my Wi-Fi router as well. Sometimes, even if you see that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network, but you are not able to access internet, then what you need to do is you need to ping to any website that you access. Example, I use google.com and hit enter. If I'm getting replies at this level as well, then it means my computer is connected to internet. If you are not able to get response here, it means you are connected to the Wi-Fi router in your house, but the internet link is down, or there is some problem with your ISP's network. That's where it's not allowing you to go further to the wireless router. With this, we come to the end of this session. So I hope you got a lot of value through this session. So let's meet in the upcoming session and discuss about IP classes. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.